You're welcome. Today, we are going to learn how to draw a plane scale. It is a scale used to measure up to 2 units. That is the main unit and its subdivision. For instance, kilometers and meters, centimeters and millimeters, meters and centimeters, meters and decimeters. Okay? Without wasting much time, let's get started. Example 1. Draw a scale of 1:40 to show meters and decimeters and long enough to measure up to 6 meters. B. Mark a distance of 4.7 on it. Now, to draw a plane scale, there are two information that will be given in the question. 1. You need to know your RF. So 1. You need your RF representative fraction. RF represents or stands for representative fraction. It is a ratio of the dimension of the drawing to the dimension on the ground, or you can say drawing distance over actual distance. Okay, or you can say RF is equal to length of scale over maximum length. Now, from our question, the RF given was 1:40. Okay, here so it says scale of 1:40. That's our representative fraction. Now 2, the other information that you need is your maximum distance or maximum length. Okay, you need your maximum length. From our question, it says the scale should be long enough to measure up to 6 meters. That is our maximum length. So 6 meters. Right, you need these two information to draw. Now use this formula. RF is equal to length of scale all over length of scale divided by maximum length or maximum distance. Now we know our RF, which is 1:40 or 1/40. You can also express it as a fraction. Okay, so we know our RF 1:40. We know our maximum length, which is 6 meters. We don't know our length of scale. The scale we are about to draw, the actual length, how long is the scale going to be? We need to find that. So from this formula, make the length of scale the subject. Okay, we make length of scale the subject because we are now going to solve for it. Now, so length of scale is equal to, multiply this by this. Okay, change of subject. So RF multiply by maximum length. Right, what we can see. Now let's do substitution. RF, which is 1/40 multiplied by 6 meters. Now you can't measure 6 meters on the drawing sheet. Okay, so the best thing to do is to change this to a measurable unit. So we change this 6 meters to, change it to centimeters. Okay, so let's change 6 meters to centimeters. Now we know that let's come here. There are some basic information that you need to know when it comes to unit conversions. Okay, 1 meter, every 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Every 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So if 1 meter is 100 centimeters, then 6 meters, okay, 6 meters should be equal to 600 centimeters. Right, 1 meter 100 centimeters, 2 meters 200, 3 meters 300, 4 meters 400, 5 meters 500, 6 meters is 600 centimeters. So we change this to 600 centimeters. Okay, so let's go down here. 1/40 times 600 centimeters. Now do multiplication. Multiply 1 by 600, and you get 600 centimeters. over 40. When you divide this, you get 15. Okay, you get 15 centimeters. That is our length of scale. Okay, the length of scale is of 15 centimeters. Right, so after getting this length of scale, you take your long rule, okay, and you draw a line of length, 15 centimeters. Let's go. Sorry, let me come here. So, right, 15. The next thing you do is divide this 15 centimeter line into 6 equal parts. Why 6 equal parts? Because from the question it says the scale is supposed to be long enough to measure up to 6 meters. Okay, so you take this 6 meters and divide 15 centimeters by 6. Okay, so we punch 15 divided by 6, you get 2.5. okay, 2.5. Now you measure 2.5. Measure 2.5. That's my 2.5. Okay, and you divide this line, this 15 millimeters line, into 6 equal parts using division of line method. Draw your line. You know how to do it. Okay, using division of line method with your 2.5. Start from here. Okay, you step off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one, 6. Okay, we join the last point, the 6th point, to the end of the line here. Okay, then you draw parallel lines on all these lines. Okay, so this is how you divide your line into 6 equal parts. Now this is how you're going to number it. Start from here, the left side, the last but 1 division here, name here or label here is 0. Here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now the next thing you do is you give your scale a height. Okay, a scale so that it looks like a real scale. This is a ruler. Okay, this line, and it has a height. Okay, so just give it a suitable height. Let me see. This one, just use any dimension that you want. Okay, a reasonable height, a suitable distance. Okay, let's go. Then we join this to this. Okay, so this is your scale. Now on all these points, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you project or you draw vertical lines upwards. Okay, so draw a line here. Draw vertical lines with the help of your T-square in conjunction with your set square. Okay, next thing you do is come here. So you see each division here represent 1 meter. Okay, since the length is 6 meters. Okay, so each division from 0 to 1 here is 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters. Now from 0 to the right side represent the whole numbers. Okay, the whole numbers or the main unit. That is, so let's, after getting this, you need to write the main unit. The question says show meters and decimeters. Okay, the relationship between meters and decimeters is that there are 10 decimeters. Okay, 10 decimeters is equal to 1 meter. Okay, so it means meters, or the meter is bigger than the decimeters. Okay, so we write here the right side, write meters here. Now write, okay, let's write it down here. So here is meters, nicely. Okay, write meters here, right, and then come here, write your decimeters. Write your decimeters here. Okay, then here at the middle here, you write your RF, representative fraction, which is 1/40. Okay, now at the middle of this line here, you draw a horizontal line, you divide it. Okay, and we divide it, just draw at any height, no measurement, like this. Now, since 10 decimeters is equal to 1 meter, now here you divide from 0 to this side, divide this distance, okay, into 10 equal parts, okay, using division of line method. Now, what do? So open to a suitable radius. Okay, come here. Okay, so this is how we divide the line into 10 equal parts. Okay, right, I hope you can see. Good. So divide this side into 10 equal parts using division of line method. That is all. So this is how you draw a plane scale. So you write here meters, your RF comes here, and then your decimeters comes here. Now the B aspect says that mark a distance of 4.7 meters. Okay, we're going to indicate 4.7 on our scale. Now, so the 4, so says 4.7. Okay, so 4 here, you draw a line. Just draw a line from here, 4. Okay, now this is 4 whole number. Then the 0.7 come to the left side, the decimal side, so it's actually 4 meters 7 decimeters. Okay, 4 meters 7 decimeters. Come here and count 7 divisions from right to left, so 4. Now when you come here, 0, 0.1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6, and 7. So 7 comes here. Here's our 7. Okay, so here, right, that's our 7. Then we draw a line from there upwards. Okay, let me make it thick so I can see. Okay, so you draw a line. So this distance here, okay, is actually 4.7. Okay, that is our 4.7. Good. That is all. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.